we're out on the marsh today in some kayaks and gonna zoom around and see what we can find here in the oyster beds.
It's about 55 degrees today at 10 o'clock, so a little bit cold for Hilton Head, but much better weather than yesterday. We were going to go yesterday morning, and it was really cold and cloudy and like 20-mile-an-hour winds. And we waited until today, and I'm so glad we did because it feels wonderful out here, nice and sunny, barely any wind, and then we're just going to have a great day.
Hey, we're the Mountain Nomads.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Brett.
If you are seeking adventure in the everyday, then you're in the right place.
Join us as we explore around Colorado and beyond.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
Come across an abandoned boat. You want to go in this little channel or no?
Check this out.
Okay. Are you getting stuck back there?
Making it through.
Oh, well, I'm running into a bush right now. Minute. Just becoming one with nature.
The marsh is lined with these oyster beds. They all attach to each other because there isn't any rocks in Hilton Head for them to attach to, so they're long and skinny so they can all fit on top of each other. And then in the background we have that pretty Spartina grass. Canals that we're in aren't here all day. The tide here on the island moves between 6 and 8 feet every day, twice a day. Every 12 hours, 23 minutes and 16 seconds, it comes up and comes down. So we're just about the peak of high tide right now. So in a few hours, we would just be sitting in mud. So we got here at the perfect time and get to explore around these little canals. A lot of times when people come to Hilton Head, they rent kayaks out of the Salty Dog or out of Shelter Cove to go out and see the dolphins in the ocean. But once you've seen your fill of dolphins, this is an awesome place to come to be able to see some more unique wildlife here in the marshes. The other thing that's nice about this marsh versus the ocean is look how flat this water is. You're not fighting the waves and the currents. Nice, easy sailing.
lost in these channels, and it only just occurred to me that we can actually look on Google Maps and see the channel and see where the turns that we need to take, which isn't very, you know, like nature of us, but at least we're not going to be stuck out here for the rest of our lives. This is Pluff Mud. Very stinky, but very necessary for the environment.
Back into the Old Oyster Factory. We got the wind at our back. And this was such a fun little kayaking adventure.
All right, we had a great time kayaking. We're heading back to Denver tomorrow. We had an awesome weekend in Hilton Head.
This kayaking was really fun. We definitely want to do it again and explore a lot more of the little canals in and out. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.